your cell phone, which is going to be very different from an embedded system, which is going to be different from a laptop, which is going to be different from somebody who's just running a desktop and writing emails. Right? It's not that one is good or bad, they're just different profiles. So the profile of the user becomes crucial to how the hardware is built. If you get too specialized a user, it's too expensive to build it. So what you need to do is start merging profiles. Like high performance computing took off in the 80s and died. And it went through some rough times in the 90s because the companies kept dying. And it really took off again and has done well since the advent of GPUs. And again, that's because you found two users that had the same profile. Gamers who want accurate physics, and scientific researchers, who are very few but want accurate physics. So the development for the accurate physics and the modeling and everything is being paid for by gamers. Right? So, it's one of those areas by correctly grouping your people up by needs, what do they need in a system, you can actually make it affordable to build development because you get a large enough pool to make it cheap per user. Right? And that's the other half of what we have to do is make it economic. It makes sense kind of some of the cache issues that are going in. I'm presuming since on the earlier course we did a lot of these access things, we don't need to run through more of them. If you do need to run through more, let me know and we can talk about it. Do we feel good about kind of the issues with cache and how we design them? Awesome.
All we run it as a GPU.
What's that?
All we run it as a